Once again, it's on. Today I'm gonna bake some flounder. I'm gonna make this nice pesto pasta with some tuna in it and some French style green beans. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm gonna season this fish up. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rub this olive oil all over. I don't need a whole bunch, but rub it all over it. Get it good on both sides. It's gonna help my seasoning stick to my fish. Take two pieces with the olive oil rubbed together. You know what I'm saying? Just want to make sure I get it all over my fish before I go ahead with the seasoning. Hit it with the dry seasonings. So like I always do, the Sprinkle City. I take this slap it mama and do the light sprinkle. All over. Then I take that roasted garlic and herb. Same thing. Sprinkle my fish. We'll go in with the onion powder. And a little black pepper. Not too much. Flip them over, same thing. Now I got all this fish seasoned. I'm gonna move it over to my bacon rack, and then I'm gonna hit it with this hot paprika that I got, and that bacon magic. Give it a little crust on the top of it. I'm gonna just only do that on one side. I actually forgot to say, I preheated my oven to 320, and then I started this process. So I had already done that. Don't forget to do that. So I got this hot paprika. I'm gonna sprinkle it over the top, only on one side, and give me some color and maybe even a little kick. That's good. Next, come with a little vegetable oil spray. Hit. Put my fish with that real quick. Then I'm coming back with my bacon magic, or my baking miracle. So I'm gonna give it a light coating of this over the top. Let's see. Yep. Baking miracle. You guessed it. After that bacon miracle, we're going in the oven with this. So I got my French style green beans here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a light little sprinkle. chicken bouillon. Then I'm gonna go in with this onion powder. Going with some garlic powder. Let's see. I don't want to open it. Let's see. It's got brand new seasonings everywhere. So I'm gonna open up my garlic powder. Here we go. My garlic powder. And then I'm gonna give it a little hint of some cayenne pepper. That's enough. I'm gonna hit it with some butter. Hold on. Take this knife. I'm gonna cut off 3 tablespoons of this butter. Let my hot water run and add a little bit of that hot water to these green beans. Put them on a nice little medium heat and let them chill. Got my hot water in here. Just gonna mix everything up a little bit. And let it chill. Alright, get this fish done. Then I'll get on those noodles. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want my noodles to sit, so I'm not gonna start them right away. I'm gonna let these chill for a minute, let my fish cook on that 320. You know what I'm saying? I might even turn that down a little bit. I might go to 300 just to let it chill. We're not going too fast. We gotta take it easy to make sure things turn out right. And then we'll go from there to make these noodles and then we eat. So I popped my fish out real quick. It's looking good, but I hit it with a little more cooking spray, and then I popped that bacon miracle on top of it again one more time, light sprinkle. Now I'm going back in the oven with it, and I'm gonna make these noodles. So the green beans is doing their thing over here. They gonna be good and tasty. I already tasted the fish, and it is nice. So what I did was I cranked it down to 170, and I'm keeping it warm in there. And now I'm about to make them noodles. Alright, so everything is done. My fish is beautiful. My green beans are ready. They're looking good. Now I'm gonna make some plates and show you how this thing turned out. And so there you have it. Looking mighty awesome with those fish fillets, those noodles, and those green beans. It's going down. I gotta get up in here and eat. See y'all. Thanks for watching. Peace.